Hi guys, in this video we're going to utilize BART AI for a new case study. You want to make sure you watch our other case studies on different topics. We get amazing results. Today we're going to ask BART AI simply to identify a new business opportunities in the AI space in 2024. Okay, this is very good prompt simply because it will go out there, it will collect all the information from Reddit, blog posts, websites, YouTube videos, and it will kick back all the important information what people suggest, predict, and see as an opportunity in the AI space. So over here what we have, bridging the explainability gap, AI explainability tools for non-technical users. Develop user-friendly tools that translate complex AI algorithms into understandable insights. Explainable AI for the public trust. Create solutions that explain AI decisions in high-stake scenarios like healthcare, criminal justice, or finance. Okay, democratizing AI for small businesses, AI-powered business insights on budget. Develop affordable AI tools that analyze data and provide actionable insights for small businesses. This could cover areas like customer behavior, marketing optimization, and operational efficiency. Low-code or no-code AI platforms for non-programmers. Design easily to use the platforms. Personalization and generative AI. Hyper-personalized experiences. Develop personalized user experience. AI-powered content creation for individuals. Offer user-friendly tools. Emerging technologies. AI for climate change solution. Developed AI-powered systems for optimizing energy. AI for human-computer interactions. Remember, these are just few starting points. The key is to identify a need within the particular market and utilize the AI technology to address this particular issue and offer a solution to this. Consider these factors your own expertise and interests. Leverage your skills and passions to find a niche where you can excel. Market research and validation. Identify existing problems and assets potential demand. Focus on ethical considerations. Ensure your AI application aligns with responsible AI principles. I think this is very good, guys. Definitely, we're just scratching the surface over here, but while I was reading, I had like a couple of ideas, coming to me right away. So definitely very, very helpful. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.